In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to connect Alesis Nitro Max to speakers. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna give you easy to follow instructions on how to properly set up and connect your Alesis Nitro Max to any sort of speaker that you have. I'm gonna be talking about speakers specifically, but also any sort of other connection that you want to establish, such as a set of headphones, for example. So all that you have to do is use the proper cable to establish this connection. There are various different ways to connect the drum kit to the speaker that you want to use. Primarily, it is going to be a simple cable like this one, so you can look for jack cables. And as long as you plug one end into the proper available ports on your speaker and then the other end into the Alesis Nitro Max, you will be good to go. There's no secret to this. Just make sure that you acquire a speaker from a reputable brand and that you establish this connection. As you can see according to the manual, this is where they recommend connecting standard speakers. So you will be able to use the audio output ports here and then establish a connection by plugging one end of a cable in here and then the other one into your set of speakers. You can explore other options, so of course make sure that the power cable is in, and then they list computer, smartphones through Bluetooth, music device on the standard headphone jack, and other options here. So just make sure that you use the audio output ports and you plug them in accordingly. As long as the jack cable was set up in here, with one end into the Alesis and then the other one into the set of speakers, you will be good to go. For this video, I chose this model of speakers from Alto, but of course any other speaker should work. The baseline is that you have to be able to establish a connection between the input port on your speaker and then the output port on the electric drums, and with this connection established, you will be good to go. Of course, these same general steps can be applied to any other model of Alesis Nitro drums. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect Alesis Nitro Max to speaker. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.